Hey everyone, my name is Abhishek Lila Pandey, and in the last 10 years, I have taught more than 75,000 students and sent almost 5,000 of them to top B schools. It's said that well begun is half done, and trust me, you have actually done it halfway. So the reason is that you have gone through so many classes, so many revision exercises, done a lot of practice, solved mocks, and now you are at the stage when last lecture started. And Shakespeare once said, all's well that ends well. This is where the ending is coming, and we are coming up with an exciting and exclusive crash course for CAT. The features of which are 170 plus hours of live interactive sessions. In addition to application classes, we will be applying all the concepts that have been taught in live classes. In addition to 24/7 doubt solving, QA 250 series, which will be discussing 250 very difficult and relevant questions of CAT, LRDA 70 by Indra, 3 mega marathons on arithmetic, algebra and geometry, which have the highest weightage in QA section, in addition to 3 workshops each on LRDI, BARC and QA. And also, you will be getting access to India's first AI-enabled mock platform, in which there will be 35 full-length tests and 45 sectional tests, 15 of each section. I know the things are tough, but it's said, when going gets tough, the tough get going. See you in the classes.